Gusto mong dumaan tayo dun sa Arthur mo?
Bakit nagkaganon? Saan kayo pupunta?
Toddlers.
Apple picking.
Apple picking.
Apple picking at Chudley's Apple Farm, located at 9528 Regional Road 25, Milton, Ontario, L9T to X7.
Turn left. Then the destination is on your left.
So I first came to Edward Jones with a great deal of trepidation.
In 250 meters, the destination is on your left. Chudley's.
Wow.
I was of course pleasantly surprised to find that there was
Di ba,
absolutely
mayroon tayong
support. And when it was time to get serious, he really took my hand and helped me to do that.
Black Barrel. May parking ba tayo ma?
Oh,
We do money differently.
wala.
Visit edwardjones.ca/different.
Barrel.
Back to school signals a fresh start for students.
I think yan lang ang pangalan niya kung sakaling para maanoan mo siguro.
But one thing hasn't changed. The
Walang bayad ang parking.
Kaya nga, yun siguro drum ang ibig sabihin.
Oo, para alam mo kung saan ka nakapark.
They can't wait another
I
year.
believe.
If the Ford government won't change, it's time to change.
At Walmart, that flutter of excitement when you decide to
Ay, ayun. Ay,
start a family.
ewan ko kung kakasya tayo din between. Yun, honey.
Upgrade
Oh,
from tight
diba?
space of a condo to a spacious home, or slow down.
The destination is on your right. Chudley's.
It's an emotion.
Hmm? Oo nga eh. At meron palang kainan dito eh. Pwede pala tayong kumain dito mamaya. Ano yun?
Sunod na ako sa'yo.
Saan kayo? Oh, ako din. Ayun yung ano. Yes.
Okay, wait, stay.
Making. Yan yung mga ano.
I think.
Should we go in the front? Christian. Okay ma. Bakit di ko makuha ng yung apple ka ako nakaharap pala sa akin?
Apples.
Gusto nyo nilimbento nyo naman.
Ang dami.
Parang inigindi.
You're the apple of my eye. Ano, gusto mo ba yan? Maasim yan. Dapat bakit tikman mo akong anong gusto mo? Pwede mong tikman. Pwede mo yan tikman.
Pineapple yan.
Oh.
Okay.
Macintosh. Ano? Gusto niyo to?
It's okay. Not bad. We can just toss it here, no? I mean, compost.
Pwede rin tayo mag-picture dito, Han. Pwede rin tayo. Sige. Wow.
Ginawa lang nila, oh. Nakasabit sila lahat dyan para hindi sila mag-bend, oh.
May namatay.
Walang phone dito.
Ha?
Kayo mag-pick.
Oo, hindi. We're not really picking. Just wow, look at that.
Ba? Ay?
Whoa. Pumpkin yan.
Ito, marami, oh.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, we eat that. Hinog na yan ang kalakihan niya. No? Yes. Sige. So this is Tara. Doon tayo sa bandang dulo para walang ano.
Huwag ka na magandang pot.
Bakit ibang kulay ng iba dyan? Dapat ito yellow with orangey, ano? Ang style. Ito. Bakit pagkaiba ito? Hindi ito parehas, no? May nawawala. Ligaw.
Diyan na.
Ito.
Tingin.
Sa tingin mo.
Sige. Kagatan mo muna.
Bakit? Sarap?
Sarap. Sana nagdala tayo ng asin.
Nawawala to. Sarap. masarap siya kaysa kaya makin. Sweet.
Yung isa, 3 kagatan lang. Ito mukhang maubos ko.
Yeah, I love it too. Or?
Silken and Macintosh apples.
Pero, second one. One more.
Bakit ang yun nakuha nyo?
Obvious ba kung anong mas na marami kaming kinuha?
Oh, mas gusto nila yung silken.
It's sweet. Atin. Chuchubi. Chuchubi. Ang laki oh. Pwede natin dalhin si Sky sa mga ganito. Pagdala-dala na backpack or yung ano, yung stroller niya.
Yung stroller niya nabubuhat na gano'n.
I think that'd be good.
Yung gala next ano pa, end of September pa or October.
Ito, Gala Boulevard.
Yeah. Gala Boulevard. Wealthy place.
Wealthy, ito na.
Yan na.
Silken.
I think the other side. Ooh.
Alright, this is just silken.
Yan tayo sa kubo-kubo.
Oo.
Kubo-kubo din.
Meron ding kubo-kubo. Honey Chris, di pa ready. Dun sa other side, I think.
We could still try to eat it.
Ang kulay niya. Iba ang kulay niya daw, ah.
Hindi ako kukuha nito pa.
So,
Masarap ito yung ano, yung pagkagat mo, nguyay mo, tapos
hindi mo favorite to, ah.
iluwa mo yung
Hindi natin favorite to. Iiwan nila to. Ayaw daw nila maasim. Oo.
sa inyo na yung ano nyo.
Oo. It's going to rain.
Matamis din. Here, guys, take a picture of that.
Kahit nandito ka, sis, kayo pa rin ang naisip mo, ha?
Ah, maraming apo lang may sasakay nito. Lakad na tayo papunta doon. Dahil wala pa tayong picture sa kubo-kubo.
Oo nga eh.
Wala na kami, Ted. Okay. Akala niya lang maliit yung bahay pero silang may-ari ng lahat ng
Parang baka?
See, that's why she can't eat it.
So big.
Thank you so much.
Can I have
What's up? What's up?
nap time? Oo. Yan na.
I got it. Mackie, you're okay.
Tinitingnan ko muna yung... Anong pangalan niya?
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello, big boy. Big boy. Hello, big boy.
Hi.
Hello, big boy. Hello, handsome. How are you, handsome?
Busy, busy.
Hello.
Wala. Mac.
Mac and
Mac. Tosh. Tosh. Mac.
Hey.
Parang wala sa mood si Mac.
Mac.
Baka
Mukhang...
kagating ka.
Ala, hindi pa umaharap eh. Ito. Ay.
And Tosh.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, I thought this is Tosh or Mac.
Hello, Jendo big boy.
This is the younger one.
Handsome boy.
Mac and Tosh.
Aww.
Oh, so sweet. Oh.
Ay, yun. Me. Ba.
Si Ma'am yan.
Ay, dumidedehan. Yan na. Halika dito, Ani, oh. Ooh, who are you? Your lolo?
Oh, you. Hey, look at those teeth. Look at those
Ooh. Parang bata pa yan, no? Parang maganda pang mga ano niya. Mga fur niya, no? That's a different kind. It's amazing.
Wait, what's your lip?
Yun, nandun sa gitna nga.
Ayun.
Tapos ito. Ito, parehas cute naman.
Hello, guys.
Hello! Yeah! Wow!
Hello. Hello.
It's a different color.
Hello guys.
Different color, eh?
Hello guys.
May corona pa yung isa pala.
Ganda ng kulay nitong isang to.
Sasabihin. Ay! You wanna try? You wanna try, Han? Come on, try it. Oh, I will. I will. Lalaban din. Take a picture. I know. You wanna try and then I'll take it?
May stage na.
Ito oh. Dito siya oh. May nakita ka, honey? Wala? Wala kang gusto? Wala kang gusto? Ah, yung mga ano lang, parang tart lang din naman nila. Ay! Yeah. Sparkling, yeah, okay. Dito bang bilihan o ano? Doon din ang bayaran? Ba?
Yo.
Lots of things to do and see here. Very organized, lots of free parking space, play areas, farm animals, trails, apple picking, summer music nights, food events, and more. Well-maintained farm and with clean washrooms. This farm is our top #1 apple picking place by far. Highly recommended to everyone.